we are going to learn about the letter S. We will learn the sound, words, sentences and a small story with the sound S. So let's start. Let us learn the sound of letter S. S, S, S. Will you all repeat it after me? S, S, S. I can't hear you all repeating it after me. I'll do it once more for you. S, S, S. I can't hear that. One more time, okay? S, S, S. That's great! Let us learn a few words starting with the sound S, S, S. Sun. S, S, sun. Star. S, S, star. Snake. S, S, snake. Sunflower. S, S, sunflower. Sing. S, S, sing. Strawberry. S, S, strawberry. Sparrow. S, S, sparrow. Spoon. S, S, spoon. Starfish. S, S, starfish. Sofa. S, S, sofa. Socks. S, S, socks. Sandwich. S, S, sandwich. Sister. S, S, sister. Slide. S, S, slide. Soup. S, S, soup. Sweet. S, S, sweet. Salt. S, S, salt. Smile. S, S, smile. Soap. S, S, soap. Sky. S, S, sky. Let us learn a few sentences with sound S, S, S. Sandwich is salty. Sunflower faces the sun. Starfish looks like a star. Sarah is singing. Sam is eating soup. Strawberry is sour. Sandy is sad. Snail moves slowly. A silver spoon. Sana and Sarah are sisters. Let us learn a small story with the sound S, S, S. It is a sunny morning. Sam wants to make a sand castle. Suddenly, he spotted a snake. Snake started hissing. X, x, x. Sam got scared and he ran away.